Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online, and this method is free, no investment required. So kindly stay with me in this video and also like this channel and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting much time, I will show you the website that we are going to use to make money today. But don't forget that you subscribe to this channel while you are watching this video. So this is the website that you are going to use for today's tutorial, and this is the registration page. So I'll be showing you how you can create an account on this platform. So you have to enter your phone mobile number. Then you click on send code. So you have to wait for you to receive the code. So if the code is not coming, you have to click on this. If you have not received the verification code, please click here. You have to click on that thing. You have to click on this and the code will come automatically. Then you click on the register. So you can fill in your password here and your withdrawal password. So after you have created the account, I'll be showing you how you can start earning from this platform, and I have an account already. So this is my account dashboard. So after you have created the account, you land on this site, and this will be your account homepage, and this my wallet right now I'm having 2.45 USDT right now. So I'll be showing you how you can earn free money on this platform. So after you have registered an account on this platform, you have to contact the admin. I will leave the admin telegram link in the description. You have to contact the admin for a free bonus. The admin will give you a free bonus. So after you have received the bonus from the admin, you have to click on the home. Then you have to go to the 10 USDT miner. Then you click on mine. So after you have clicked on mine, the time will start counting down. It will start counting down from 60 seconds. So you have to wait for the time to count down. So after it has counted down, you received some money in your account, and this website is totally free. So click on the registration link in the description below, register an account, and also like and subscribe to this channel.